Look, there's no doubt about it. Gen AI is completely changing the game for customer service. The speed, the efficiency, it's incredible. But, with all that power comes a ton of responsibility, especially when you're talking about your customers' data. So today, we're going to walk through the security playbook that you absolutely have to have in place.
And just a quick heads up before we dive in, all the info we're covering here, it's pulled directly from Chapter 2 of the Developing a Generative AI Training Program for Customer Service Excellence tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC. We're really zoning in on their framework for security and compliance.
You hear it everywhere, right? The amazing things Gen AI can do. We're talking drafting emails in seconds, summarizing really complex problems, even brainstorming solutions on the fly. It's a massive, massive leap forward.
But, and this is a huge but, here's the question you have to ask first. As you're feeding all this information into these tools to get those fantastic results, what's happening to all the sensitive customer data that gets swept up in the process?
And that really gets us to the heart of the matter. This isn't some extra feature you can bolt on later. Security is not a nice-to-have. It is the absolute 100% non-negotiable foundation. Without it, your whole AI program is basically built on quicksand.
Okay, so how do we actually build that foundation? Well, I want you to think about it like you're building a fortress. This isn't just about throwing up a few walls. It's about designing a full-on, comprehensive blueprint to defend your most valuable asset, which is your customer's trust.
Any good fortress starts with its main wall, right? The first line of defense. And for us, that's all about active data protection, the hands-on rules and protocols your team has to follow in every single interaction they have with AI.
It really comes down to 3 super important steps. First, your team has to know how to spot what's sensitive, personal information, health data, that kind of thing. Second, they have to know exactly how to strip that data out of their prompts. And third, they have to use only the secure company-approved AI tools. No exceptions, none.
Okay, check this out. This is a perfect example of what I'm talking about. Look at the before prompt. It's loaded with personal identifiable info. Now look at the after. The AI gets the exact same context it needs to solve the problem, but all that sensitive stuff has been swapped out for generic placeholders. This skill is absolutely non-negotiable.
All right, so your first wall is up. Now you've got to pay attention to the laws of the land you're building on. This is where compliance comes into play. You can never, ever let the promise of productivity come at the cost of breaking the rules.
This chart here, it's a great way to see where you need to put your energy. Data privacy laws like GDPR, they are top of the list, absolutely paramount. Right behind that, you've got industry-specific rules. Think finance or healthcare. And holding it all up are your own internal security protocols. You've got to be a master of all 3.
Let's take healthcare, for instance. With HIPAA, there's just no wiggle room. It means 0 patient details in prompts, period. And you have to live by the minimum necessary standard, which means using the absolute least amount of information you need to get the job done. And it's the same story in finance. The rules are ironclad. No full account numbers, no social security numbers, nothing. The key here is to learn how to talk about financial situations in abstract terms, and, just as important, to know when something is way too sensitive for an AI and needs a human-only touch. Then you've got the big players like GDPR and CCPA that affect pretty much everyone. Does your team actually understand that a customer has the right to have their data deleted? Do they know that the rules might change just based on where a customer lives? This stuff has to be baked into your training.
Okay, so we've got our walls, we know the local laws. What's next? Well, you need rules for the guards, your agents. This is your AI acceptable use policy, and it has to be crystal clear.
Let's start with the do's. These should be super clear. This is the stuff you want your team doing with AI. Drafting responses, summarizing articles, brainstorming solutions. These are the green light activities that make everyone's job easier and better.
Now for the don'ts. And these are the hard lines in the sand. Absolute no-goes. Using some random, unapproved tool is a big one. But so is sharing company secrets. Or, and this is critical, using anything the AI spits out without a human reviewing it first. An AI can't make a promise to a customer that a human doesn't sign off on.
And finally, we have the musts. Think of these as the daily drills, the habits that keep everything safe and running smoothly. Every single piece of AI content gets reviewed. AI usage gets documented. And above all, agents have to use their professional judgment. The AI is a co-pilot, not the captain.
All right, so we've laid out the entire blueprint for our fortress.
Let's do one final walkthrough with a quick checklist to tie it all together. It's simple, really. First, solid data protection. Classify, anonymize, and secure. Second, know your compliance rules inside and out, especially for your industry. Third, have a clear, enforced policy, your do's, don'ts, and musts. And fourth, and this is key, build all of this into your training from the very beginning, not as an afterthought.
So here's what I want to leave you with. Your AI, it's only as strong as the security you wrap around it. The potential is incredible, for sure, but it all rests on that foundation. So take a hard look at what you're doing. Is your fortress ready?